Hi everyone, Kathie here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 12 by 16 or approximately a 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, and I have some black and white paint on it, and I have my hairdryer over there, and I'm going to try and, I don't know, blow it out very nicely, and I've mushed this end up, so I'm going to actually start with this end. So I just put on some colours. What do I have? I have red, orange, gold, yellow, black and white. And in the red and the yellow, I have a bit of silicone, some gold, I think. Maybe a smidgen of black, which I will dribble here. Right, just like that. And I might just see how that goes, eh? Because it's looking pretty cool. Right. So, let's try it. We'll see. No way, do not like. Whoops. Okay, so it's going to be a swipe, I can tell, and I shall do it. It'll be nice in the end, hopefully. Lots of gold and red, because gold and red look good together. I'm going to put white on here too, but you know, I might swipe it with black. There's a tendency to bring the colours up, doesn't it? Let's see if we get something interesting. Did I put orange on? No. And I better put some more yellow on. I always lose the yellow. So the recipes for the paints and the pouring medium you'll find below, show more under the video. And that's got to be right. Now, a cloth. I should not be a second while I damp this cloth off. Here we go, with some black. Here. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. You know what I might do, just to be different. Put that like that so I can get at it. Can you still see? Yes, you can. As I was saying, if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. And here we go. Okay. Let that dribble off a little bit because I'm going to use the same one to come back. Right. Look at the cells. Just take some of this black off. I suppose I should just be doing it this way, since that's the way I swiped it. That down. just getting rid of some of these black cells. Don't think anybody needs black cells. I rather like the top part there. Come on, Dandy, come. Okay, they're nearly gone. Okay, that looks really good. I'm going to put it back this way so you can see. Get this gooey thing out of the way so I don't get it on my dress. I'm going to wipe my hands off and then I'm going to come back and torch that. As you can see, it's really impressive. Got some lovely cell action happening there. So, where'd I put my lighter? Over there. I'm so glad the other way didn't work out as well as what I thought it might, because I think this is lovely. Sometimes you can manage that, other times it doesn't matter what you do, you can't help yourself, but this is really nice. Okay. Now those itty bitty cells will grow. Got more messy than you can poke a stick at. Alright, as you can see, that is really, really pretty. I'm looking at it side on, I think you're looking at it on a nice angle. Alright, so what I'm going to do is bring you down, let you have a look at it. The recipes for the paints and the pouring medium you'll find below. Show more under this video. If you haven't already, subscribe please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up videos. And give it a second to focus. And it's really hot colours. I think that's really a pretty one. These cells are going to grow more too, I'd say, in the next little while. So thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.